right. Hello, my friends. I'm going to be going over the Declaration of the Rights of the Child. Now, this is not what it looks like in your book. This is because I have access to the stories in a different way. So they're not so filled with so many words. So I'm going to do a read aloud of this and go over the ideas as you read and listen. This declaration of the rights of the child is for the child's own good and for the good of society. It is necessary so that he, and they're just saying he here, meaning a child, and I just lost my place. So he may have a happy childhood and enjoy the rights and freedoms listed here. The Declaration asks parents, men, women, local authorities, which be like the police officers, firefighters, national governments to protect these rights and to work to make sure they are granted by lawmakers. The rights of the child include. So guys, these are your rights. I think this is really interesting. You probably didn't know you had all of these. The child shall, and that just means should or will, it's kind of together, enjoy all the rights listed in this declaration. Every child shall have these rights, no matter of his family's or his or her family, race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. That basically means every child gets these rights no matter what. So paragraph 3, it says, the child shall have special protection. He shall be given chances and resources to develop physically, that's the body, mentally, mind, morally, which is what we're thinking of when we are doing our SEL and our connections time in the morning, spiritually, and socially, that means with others, in a healthy and normal manner, and with freedom and dignity. Dignity means to feel good about yourself and not feel ashamed. Laws passed to protect the child must be most concerned with the best interest of the child. Okay, great. The child should have the right to a name and a nationality. You might be like, what? Of course, everybody I know has a name. Everybody I know has a nationality. But we are going to read another story that will shock you. So that means every child should be given a name and they get a place to call their home. Most of you are born in the United States. Your nationality would be the United States. I know I have some friends from Guatemala, Nigeria, Mexico. Those are your nationalities, even if you don't live there. The child shall enjoy the benefits, which are the good things, of Social Security. He shall have the right to grow and develop in health. That makes sense. We want kids to be healthy. Special care and protection shall be given to him and his mother to make this possible, including before and just after the child is born. The child shall have the right to a healthful food, housing, play, and medical services. Now, this is something that you're probably aware of in some ways. Every mother who is pregnant has an opportunity to go to a place called WIC, Women, Infant, and Children, and they will give her free care for her when she's pregnant. And the baby, and after the baby is born, they can give things like diapers and formula and baby food, all those types of things. We also have special housing costs for people who are needing help to pay for a home. We also have play. So like the YMCA right now, if your family is struggling with money, you could go to the YMCA for a reduced cost. And the same with medical services. Some of us have Medicaid or other types of thing. Obamacare could fall into that, if that's still a thing, who even knows. Okay, paragraph 6. The child who is physically, mentally, or socially handicapped shall be given any necessary special treatment, education, and care. So that means, like, if you were born and you are handicapped physically, is the easiest one to explain. Maybe you were born without one leg, or you are paralyzed for some reason. You're going to be given special treatments and education and care to help with whatever you need. Paragraph 7. The child, in order to be his best self, needs love and understanding. He shall, wherever possible, grow up under the care and responsibility of his parents. In any case, he shall grow up in a place where he is cared for and protected with kindness. A young child shall not be separated from his mother except in very special cases, and that could be like a baby being born addicted to a drug. Society and the public authorities shall have the duty to extend special care to children without a family and those without enough support. Payment of state and other assistance towards the care of children of large families is desirable. So this is kind of where we start learning about foster care. And the getting social caseworkers like DCS. This is also where we are giving assistance like free textbooks to children. The child has a right to an education. It shall be free and required, at least when he is young. So right now, you are required to go to school until you're 16. And if you choose to drop out at 16, it has to be approved by your parents. He shall be given an education that promotes his general culture and allows him an equal chance to develop his abilities, judgment, sense of moral and social responsibility. The best interest of the child shall be the guiding principle of those responsible for his education and guidance. His parents are mainly responsible for this. The child shall have full opportunity for play and society, and the public authorities shall encourage enjoyment of this right. Hey guys, if they start trying to take your recess away, this might be where you can come up with, hey, we are entitled to a full opportunity for play, and the public authorities shall encourage the enjoyment of this right. It's a pretty interesting statement right there. I'm going to stop the video here so it's not super long, and I will finish reading up in the next video.